today's video we are going to be unboxing the November RoccaBox. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. So yeah, today's video, like I've said, we are going to be unboxing, if I can turn it the right way, the November RoccaBox. I can't wait to get in here to see what we've got this month. So yeah, let's get in here and have a little sneak peek. So opening it up, we have this. So we've got the edit card, or it's got the QR code on there, and we'll scan that and we'll get the information on all the products. There is a quick sneaky peek, but I'm putting the lid back down on that because I'm trying not to look. I'm trying my best. Yeah, it says here this edit is worth £109.95, and it is called Desk to Dancefloor. Yeah, if you are interested in getting this box for yourself, it's £15 per month. You have got to pay postage on top of that as well. Is it £2.95 or £3.95? I think it's £2.95, but check that out for yourself. I'll link this down below in the information box and the comment box. And yeah, if you use that link and that, it'll get you 25% off your first box, which is always good. But yeah, let's get straight in here, do some unboxing. Before we start, if you just want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. So I have scanned the card, I've got the information up, so let's get started. So the first product we have is this. So this is by the brand XX Revolution, and it's Chameleon Shimmer Eyeshadow Palette. It's a full-size product that has a value of £20. And it says, Desk to Dancefloor means owning a palette which can take you from day to night with ease. And this palette features a stunning range of shimmer eyeshadows that do just that. How to use, obviously, yeah, apply your favourite shades using your eyeshadow brush or your fingertips. We also love dipping wing eyeliner brush into water and mixing with the shadow using the colours as winged eyeliner. Yeah, cool. So I think we all know how to use an eyeshadow, but let's get in here and see what colours we've got to play with. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. Yeah, that's absolutely gorgeous, and that's the back of it. Ugh, can't open it. Ooh, so them are the colours we have to play with. Very nice. If I am being brutally honest, because I am boring, you're probably not, don't be like me, but I'll probably use these three shades. I'm gonna try and test these ones out because I do want to like experiment a bit, because like I say, I am boring and it would be nice to be different. But I'm gonna swatch, start off with the three that I like the most. Oh yeah, absolutely stunning. Really nice. Right, now let's do the three that are out of my comfort zone. Holy moly, look at that blue. Yeah, they are actually really pretty as well. I can definitely appreciate how pretty those bottom colours are, but my comfort zone are the three top. Yeah, I really like that, guys. I really like it. It feels nice quality shimmer eyeshadow. You can really feel the quality, and pigment is there. Second product we've got in the box is this. So this is by the brand Bobbi Brown, and it's vitamin enriched face base. There's 7 mils in here. It is a deluxe mini, and the RRP is £12. It just says, get ready for flawless skin with the Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base. This deluxe mini is the perfect on-the-go companion. This face base provides a smooth, hydrating canvas for your makeup thanks to its nourishing ingredients like vitamin B, C and E. Used before makeup or alone. Okay, I've always wanted to try this, to be honest, but I found it quite expensive. I can't justify buying it, so I'm so happy to get one to try out. And that is really cute, isn't it? Normally I wouldn't open this and test it out, but we're doing it. So that's what it looks like inside. Ooh, she's thick. So just pop some on there. Oh, that feels really nice. That does feel really hydrating. Okay, it's like lemons. I wasn't expecting a lemony smell. Interesting, and it's a really nice lemon smell as well. Normally when it comes to lemon scents, I'm really picky, but that's a nice one. The third product in the box is going to be by the brand MGC Derma, and it says there's a lucky dip. Which one will you receive? It will be a full-size item with an RRP of £53, and it says the exact product may vary, but you can trust it to deliver remarkable results. The one that I have is this. So this is the face and neck serum for firming. Oh, I am so happy. That's awesome, because since losing weight and stuff, my neck here is gone crepey and wrinkly, and when I move it a certain way it looks so bad. So yeah, that sounds cool straight away with me. With vitamin C and stem cell complex. So this is what it looks like. I am going to keep this sealed, because if this is worth £53, I want it to work its magic, being brand new when I pop this open to slap it on. So yeah, very nice packaging indeed. I cannot wait to try that, and if it works and I get results, even better. The fourth item in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand The Beauty Crop, and it is watermelon hydrating jelly mask. It's full size and it has a value of £9.95. It says, if you know us, you know we love to take 10 minutes for self-care, pre and post party. This mask is the perfect hangover cure. The hydrating formula, enriched with watermelon extract, will quench the skin's thirst, leaving it refreshed and radiant. So apply a generous amount evenly to clean skin, leave on for 10 minutes, and yeah, rinse it off with cool water. Enjoy the rejuvenating benefits of the cooling jelly mask, pat dry and reveal fresh skin. Recommended once to twice a week. Yeah, cool. Should I? No, I'm gonna leave. I've have so many masks in my drawer I need to get using, so I'm gonna leave this sealed because it might be a while until I get round to this one. But the packaging's lovely. I love the Beauty Crop, very affordable, and you're gonna get lots of masks out of that. So yeah, I can't wait to smell that scent. And final product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Project Lip, and it is a lip liner in the shade Chase. It's full size and it has a value of £15. Create the perfect pout with Project Lip liner in the shade Chase. This liner is a must-have for defining and shaping your lips. Chase's neutral hue complements a variety of lip colours, making it a versatile addition to your makeup routine. Gently outline the natural contour of your lips, then fill in with your favourite lipstick or lip gloss. Yeah, cool. So what shade is Chase? I mean, I'm presuming it's that shade there, which looks very nice, but let's have a nosy. Ooh, let's see how much product you're getting here. Holy moly. For a lip liner, that's huge, isn't it? It looks like a lip crayon. Oh, that's beautiful. So yeah, it's more on the pinky side of things, but that's absolutely gorgeous. Normally with a lip liner, yes, I do an outline on my lips. If I'm really happy with the colour, I'll just colour the whole lip in that colour and whack a gloss on top. But yeah, that's really pretty. So this is the November RoccaBox Desk to Dance Floor Edit, worth basically £110. What do you think? Personally, it's a decent box. It really is a decent box. Let's just have a little recap. So we have a lovely lip liner and the shade is stunning. The eyeshadow palette is absolutely gorgeous. It's just a shame for me that these three, because I know me and I say I'm going to try and use them, but again, I know me, I'm going to stick to these three colours because I'm just boring, but hopefully you're more adventurous than me. We have Bobbi Brown face cream there, which I am dying to use. I've really been wanting to try it out. We have, if I have that the right way, that would be great. We have a face and a neck serum, which is like £53 worth. So hopefully I'll get some good results with that because I have hella crepiness going on. And then yeah, we have a beautiful watermelon jelly mask from the Beauty Crop. So yeah, I actually, the theme of the box is nice, very nice. What do you think? Comment down below and let me know. But yeah, if you want to subscribe, again, the links are down below. I think it gets you 25% off. Double check that beforehand. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.